In this lesson, I'm working with students on the language of algebra. It's a review from previous grades, but students really need to comprehend these words well and understand the vocabulary so that they can apply it to problem solving this year in Algebra 1. 6 less than the product of 2 and a number x. Students get mixed up with the word less than because they'll just put 6 minus the product of 2 times x. And so, but when you're taking something away from something else, you have to state that what you're taking it away from. So the product 2x is actually what the 6 is being taken away from. So it's 6 less than 2x. Because order does matter in subtraction, so you have to be careful about the word less than. 6 is less than is something different than subtraction. 6 is less than the product of 2 and a number x. Is less than is showing a result, so it's the inequality symbol. 6 is less than the product of 2 times x. 7 more than the quantity of x and 5. More than means you're going to add. So 7 more than the quantity means you're going to group those together of x plus 5. And 7 more than that. And you could drop the parentheses. The commutative property of addition says order doesn't matter. The grouping's also not going to matter, so you can have x plus 5 plus 7 will be the same thing, or x plus 12 if you wanted to simplify that. 7 is more than. Is more than, again, is showing the result. And so is more than is going to be the is greater than symbol. So 7 is more than or greater than the quantity of x and 5. So, and then if you had, it's a plus sign, if you had the sum of 4 and the quotient of a number and 2, so sum means they're about to add two things, at least two things, 4 and the quotient of a number and 2 are 10. R10 also shows a result equals 10. And so the sum is going to be adding 4 plus the quotient of a number and 2. You just state them in the order. The quotient means division. R10 or equals 10. The product of a number minus 1. So product means they're about to multiply two factors, at least two factors of a number minus 1 and a number plus 3. So a number minus 1 is one of the factors, and a number plus 3 is another factor for that product. The difference also means subtraction. On difference, decreased by, it's not like less than. You don't have to switch the order. You just state them in the order that they show, because it's just stating the difference of those two numbers in that order. The difference of 12 and a number decreased by 4. So the difference of 12 is the first thing, and a number decreased by 4. So the difference of 12 and a number decreased by 4. So it's going to be 12 minus the quantity of n minus 4.